What's up mga paps? Naghahanap ka ba ng power bank para sa iPhone mo? Meron akong binili today. Dumating na yung binili ng misis ko. Actually, hindi pala ako yung bumili. Bumili yung misis ko ng unit na 65 centimeters na power bank. So, yun yung i-unbox natin today. Let's do this!
Throw your hands up if you with it. Drop it.
Okay, buksan na natin. Tensya na kayo rito sa anak ko. Naku, naubo. Pagagaling lang namin sa Calix kanina sa Bridgetown dahil pina-check namin si Cody. So ito yung power bank. Mabilis lang, buksan natin. So we can check how this looks like. 12,000 mAh capacity. Nakakapag-charge ng cellphone ng 2 to 3 times. Yun ang features nitong power bank na to. Wireless charging, magnetic, UNID, model H7B, battery capacity is 6,000 mAh, over 12,000 mAh. Battery energy, 23.1 WH. So, yan. Hindi ko alam yung mga technical specs na yan. Basta ang alam ko, 12,000 milliamperes. Can charge up to 2 to 3 times. Yan, ang tsura. So, meron siyang magnetic strip. So, ayan. Matte black. 12,000 mAh. UNID. So, dumidikit ba to? Tingnan natin. Natin kung didikit. Ayan. Ayan. Magnetic na siya. So, let's see if this will charge. It's charging. So, ayan yung charging. And then, for you to know kung meron pang power yung power bank, meron siyang light indicator dito. So, if you have all the dots in green, ibig sabihin, fully charged yung power bank mo. And then, syempre, magnetic siya. Magnetic. Yeah. Although, if you don't wanna do the wireless charging, you still have the connection, the wired connection. So, yeah. So, this is, again, your UNID 12,000 mAh power bank. Very portable. Maski naman hindi siya ganun kanipis, you can still put it inside your pocket. Oh. Diba? Unlike the old power banks, yung mga old school na malalaki talaga, hindi pwedeng ilagay sa pocket. Ito pwede pa rin. Diba? Or you can put it sa back pocket mo if you're wearing slacks or jeans. Diba? So yun lang. Thanks for watching. Till the next Woodall. Peace!